Welcome, students. Welcome back, stomach, to the small intestine, an important topic regarding long questions. So you must learn it very well. Hope that your concept has also become clear. Next, students, is the small intestine. The small intestine is a highly coiled tube that is 7 meters long. It has 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The duodenum is its first part, and it is 25 centimeters long. The jejunum is its middle part, which is 2.5 meters long. And the ileum is the last part of the small intestine, and it is 4 meters long. Furthermore, students, the duodenum receives secretions that come from the liver and the pancreas so that food can be digested even better. The secretions that come from the liver are called bile, and there is a common bile duct, that delivers the secretions coming from the pancreas and the secretions coming from the liver into the intestine. That is why we call it a common bile duct, which releases bile, meaning the fluids, the liquid-like material produced by the pancreas and the liver, into it. It is into the stomach. It brings the secretions from there into the intestine. It brings them into the intestine because they are present there. You will see in the next diagram that this is the common bile duct, which is coming from the liver. This is the gallbladder, from the liver, and this is the pancreas behind it. It has one single common duct called the common bile duct, from which those secretions are released and come into the small intestine. As soon as this bile enters the duodenum, it contains salts that break down fats, turning larger fats into smaller droplets and creating a milky fluid. Inside the body, fat droplets are separated. They become separated. Just like when you mix oil and water, the oil does not mix. Instead, its small droplets start floating on the surface of the water. This process is called emulsification. Emulsification is the name of a process in which 2 or more liquids do not mix well together, which is why the fat droplets here become separated, and this process is called emulsification. The secretions that come from the pancreatic juice that the pancreas produces, as soon as it enters the duodenum through the pancreatic duct, which I have shown you in the diagram ahead. Before entering the duodenum, there is a common bile duct. Here, all bile enters the small intestine through a common duct. Pancreatic juice contains many such enzymes like trypsin, pancreatic amylase, and lipase. These enzymes help in digesting different larger food particles, such as proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids, etc. Pancreatic juice contains sodium bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acidity of the chyme. Glands that are present in the walls of the small intestine also secrete some enzymes to make the complete digestion of food possible, so that food can be completely digested. Next, students, you can see in the diagram that this is the complete human digestive system, which started from the oral cavity. Next came the pharynx. We studied the function of the epiglottis. This is the food pipe or esophagus. This is the stomach, and along with it is the pancreas. Secretions coming from the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder enter the small intestine through the common bile duct. These are the parts of the small intestine: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Similarly, we will also discuss the large intestine, colon, cecum, rectum, and then it ends at the anus. When we study the